So welcome all to the showing of Obsidian Breakers. This is the first version 0.1 where we're just playing through a version that will be released on the Sandbox. The white paper is available, which you can get from our website, and essentially it's a game where you're gonna traverse through a castle in search for this obsidian that you have to break in order to claim the castle, but there are monsters and other players that you're competing against to get the last hit on the obsidian in order to capture the castle. So we'll just load up the game here and then we'll get going. So I'll take you through the world a little bit. This is the very, very early version of what it looked like, but essentially you've got your bottom left area, which is kind of the spawn area, and there's two main entrances into the castle. There's a primary one that takes you out to a main kind of hall where there'll be like a mini boss type thing here, and then kind of more of a secret or less traveled path that's a bit longer to traverse and will have its own fair share of enemies along the way. Both paths go up the stairs and lead into this kind of grand hall area where there'll be the kind of like final boss type thing. And then from there, the entrances lead down out into the obsidian room. So on top of this structure will be obsidian. It's going to limit the number of people that can attack the obsidian at the same time, because it is kind of a race, right? So whoever gets the last hit to break obsidian actually wins the game, and then every other player that is in the castle will automatically get respawned out, and basically whoever owns the castle can now defend it freely, and everyone that's been warped out, they will rush the castle back in time and try to recapture obsidian. And then there'll be a game timer. I think initially we'll set with 15 minutes, and then from there, within the time frame, everyone can kind of rush the castle back and try to take it. We've also got some little spaces where huge ornaments will be, and the idea is as you play the game, you can capture NFTs and get more and more, I guess, equips that make your character better at running through the game. So next I'll just do a quick run through, and we'll take this kind of main entrance and see how we go. All right, so now we're here in the Obsidian Breaker universe, and we'll take this entrance like I said. From this open area here, you can see all the others who are ahead of you running into the obsidian room. Maybe you would come up here if you're from the other entrance, and you can get some sneak attacks in on people entering. And then you choose left or right. And here you are again. So that's it. That's the game. I'll do more and more updates and we'll see how we go. Thanks.
If you're excited about this project and want to know more, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to find out when anything new happens. Also, we have a Discord server and a website where you can sign up to learn the latest about Obsidian Breakers.